Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be unboxing, what to expect and setup video for the MI Home Security Camera 360. Now this one actually records in full HD, so you get 1080p resolution, and it has infrared night vision. So what that means is if you put this in a dark place where there's no light at all, it'll still see things, and it even has motion detection built into it, so you can get alerts. So if anyone passes by or anyone comes to your door or whatever it is, it'll detect, and then it'll send a message to your phone that somebody is there. So there are a lot of features. So this video would be just unboxing, what to expect, and the setup video. I will be doing the complete setup video where I show you what all options you have, what all extras that you have to buy for this, in my second video. So I'll be doing that just after this, because a lot of people want to know about this, because this is pretty cheap now because of the Diwali offer. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I got it from the MI store, so when you get it from there, they already cut it. So let's see what all do you get with this. Now it's the classic MI packaging. You get your regular black, orange and white. So you get your user's manual. So you have the 360 camera user manual, keep that aside. Now okay, so you get a box, you'll get the accessories in that. Okay, so that's the box, let's keep that aside. Okay, keep that also aside. So that's the camera and that's the accessory. So let's see what all accessories do you get with this. Oh, the good thing is you get a wall charger with this. You get a micro USB charging cable. Now this looks like it's pretty long, maybe 2-3 meters, we'll see that later on. And this is the wall mount. So you actually put this on the wall, and then at the bottom it just clamps in like that, and then you can put it wherever. So it can be kept inverted, it can be kept this way, whichever way you want to keep it. You can keep this, because this is a 360 camera, so it doesn't matter which angle you put it on. This can turn and look wherever it is kept. So that's it. So you get the wall mount, the charging, the charger, the charging cable, and the camera. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this now. The entire thing is made of plastic. Now the head rotates, so it goes 360 like that, complete 360, and then this head goes up and down. That's how it's able to get a 360 view. Now you have the LED notification light over here, and just below that is the microphone. Let me just do a close up. So that's the microphone port, and below that over here you have the SD card option, so you can put up to 64. Now you have one port over here which is for the charging port. Then you have the reset button. So that's it, that's all that this camera has. Let's go ahead, put it on. Now one good thing about this is it uses your regular let me just show you that. Okay, 5 watt 2 amp charger. So what that means is I can actually take this and travel with me. I can actually put it connect it with a power bank and then use it that way too. So it's portable, I can travel with it, and I have 360 security with this. So let's go ahead and switch this on, set it up, and then see what all can we do with this. Let's connect this to the wall charger. And switch it on. Okay, so as soon as you switch on, you will see that there's the orange light that comes up. Now it will do a self start, it will do a power on self test, I think that's what you call it. So it'll do the test now, just wait for it.
Scan QR code or use Bluetooth to pair the device. Waiting for connection.
Okay, so let's go ahead and set it up. Now to set it up, you need a Wi-Fi connection. Now there are people who keep asking me, what if I don't have a Wi-Fi, can I use tethering? So yes, you can use tethering also. So I'm going to do a tethering from here. You see that the tethering is on, tethering, sorry, is on over here. Now we'll connect to that on this, and then we will give that setting to the camera. Do the ad, do the same thing, wait, next, put in the password.
Waiting for connection.
Okay, so that's the easier way. So all I have to do is show the QR code to it. Now as soon as it's done, you'll see that the light has turned blue. So that's it, it's done. Now just do next and it'll send the settings
Connection to
to.
Wi-Fi completed.
Okay, now over here you see that it has connected to the device. So that's why I kept this in front, so you see that it's actually connecting. Now there are two devices connected. One is this
Preparing to
phone,
account
the second one is the
Device
camera,
online.
and it keeps talking to you the entire time. Now that speaker is actually used for talking back. Now talk back doesn't mean just this one talking to you. It's actually you seeing whatever is happening over here and talking to the people who are in the room. So I can actually talk to the people. Let me just. Okay. Okay, so now you have to set up where is this put in. So I'll be putting it in the living room. Right now I'm in my studio, so that's fine, but I'll be putting it in the living room. Video camera, device name, just let it be as video camera. Next. Now you want to share this device. Now this is an option in case you want this device to be used by someone else, like if you want your family also to use, like if your husband wife and you want your wife to access it or your husband to access it, or father mother, you want your children to access, all those kind of scenarios you can add. So basically when you add, it'll ask for the email, phone number and MI account ID. So you have to put that in. So I'm not going to share right now. I'm not going to share my room with anyone. Okay. So you have to give the permission for the microphone, agree, and then it'll tell you how to use it. Pinch to zoom and all that function is shown. Okay. So that's me. Okay. Let me just change the angle. Okay. So that's the highest point. Let's go down. Let's turn it. Okay, let's turn it again. Okay, so full 360. Now let me go up. Now let's go down. And you see how fast this is? Let's do this again. Now let's try focusing on my face. So all this can be controlled when you are not even at home. So that's the quality of the video. So it's very good. Now let's try something else. Let's switch off the light completely. So it's dark right now. So I waited for it to get dark. Let's switch off the light. Okay, so now the lights are switched off. If you see in the camera, you see there's nothing. You can't see a damn thing over here. But look at that camera. Now you see those small LEDs on the side? Those are the infrared module. So basically what it's doing is it's sending infrared light. Now you see how scary I look in this? Look at my eyes. Wow, that's scary. Okay, so this is how the infrared works. So it's actually that good. Now, for some people, color may not work. This one is supposed to show you color also, but it depends on the light. If there's a little bit of light around, so let me just show you that too. If I put on a torch, now you see all of a sudden everything has changed. Little bit of light has come in. You see the clarity has changed. Now this will give you color. So if there's a little bit of light, then it will try to use your regular camera with the combination of infrared. You see over here it's much clearer. Now let me switch off the light. So as soon as I switch off the light, it goes to complete infrared. So it's actually very good. Now let's try seeing things in my room. Well, never thought of that. Okay, let me show you what I'm doing. Okay, let's turn the camera. Wow, that is actually very clear. Whoa, that's freaky. Okay, so that's my bed. So everything is absolutely clear. So anyone who needs a camera, a all-rounder camera which can actually work in the night, in the daytime, which is 360 cam, which can be controlled from anywhere in the world, which can record videos, which can talk back, then this is the camera for you right now. Because of the Diwali offer, it's actually pretty cheap. For 2,499 you can get this right now. Let me switch on the light now. Okay, so that's me. So that's how the camera works. So excellent option. Now there are a lot of features. Now let me talk about a few features which are important. I'll be talking about the rest of it in my second video. Now over here you see this voice call option. I press that, this will connect to the camera. Now I'll go far and then talk. Okay, so I'm too close, so that's why you hear the echo. So that's how clear the sound is on the speaker. Now let's put it off. Okay, so I ended it. Now you have playback option, you have photo album, you have shortcuts, you have monitoring. Now I can set up the monitoring. I can set up what kind of quality I want. Now it's on HD. You have low and auto. Now we'll be seeing that later on. Now this option over here, if you press that, now I can hear everything that this is hearing. I put that off, everything is blanked. Now I have option to take a picture. I have option to record a video. So whatever is happening right now is being recorded on my phone. Now all this is live. So this is live recording, live everything going on. Now there is another option. I can actually set it up to record with without me seeing it. So everything will be recorded onto this. Now if you want to do that, you'll have to put in the, okay, this is distracting. Okay, if you want to do that, then you'll have to basically put a memory card for 64 GB. So this is the storage option. So basically if I get a memory card for 16 GB, so at 720p I can record till 48 hours, and 1080p for 36 hours. So that's actually pretty less. It's not a lot. So in case you want a good backup, then you'll have to have a 64 GB one with 10 days of 720p video and 6 days of 1080p video. So that's the graph. Now okay, so there's one question that people keep asking. Okay, so what happens after this is full? So after 10 days, what happens to my video? So we'll be answering that in my second video. We'll just click on the link above. As soon as I put the video, I will be putting the link on top. Okay, so that's basically how the MI360 security cam works. I will be showing you how it actually you've already seen how it actually works in the night. The storage options are good. Let me in my second video I'll be putting the memory card and then showing you what all options you have. I'll try putting a NAS device and then show you how that works in another video, not in the second one. So the second video will show you all the settings, where you should actually put it, which is the optimal place to put it, and how to avoid anyone hacking into it. All these things we'll be talking about in the second video. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.